Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So today we are going to learn the easiest way to record your screen on laptop. So the very first step that you need to do is just open PowerPoint, and after you'll open PowerPoint you will have this kind of an interface, and there are options on the top of your screen: insert, draw, design, etc. You'll go with the option recording. You'll click that, and after you click that button you'll see an option here in your on your screen recording. Okay, you'll click that. After you'll click that, I'm already recording, so I cannot click it again. So after you click this button you will get an option like this kind of option will pop on your screen. Select area, you'll click that, and you will just right click the mouse and just drag from the extreme top of your screen and select the area you want to record. After you select the area, you'll click this record button. It will bring red after you select the area. Okay, so you'll click that, and after you click that button your screen will start recording. So when it will start recording, then anything that you want to record, let's say you are working on a PowerPoint, you can record that thing. You are working on Word, or you are working on in Excel, anywhere, so you can record that. And you, after completion of your recordings, you just click this save button or the stop button, and once you'll click this stop button, your video will automatically be saved. So when you click the stop button, your video will be saved this way. Okay, this was the portion of screen, the area I had selected, and this is the video that has been made for me. And now after this, I'll just right click the mouse, and I'll see these kind of options. I'll simply go with the save media as. I'll save media as media 1 on that's on desktop, so I'll save it this way. Now my video is saved on the desktop. I'll go on desktop and I'll show you the video. See, this is the video that I have made, and it has been saved completely. So thank you so much for watching the video.